Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Roses are one of the oldest flowers in the world and have been referenced in literature, music and art of the centuries. They are beloved by the gardeners as a hardy, long-lasting plants. There are a hundred of roses varieties that are considered safe for human use. Roses are added to a range of products for both their fragrance and the potential health benefits. Roses are also often used in the kitchen, especially in the Middle Eastern and India. The aromatic flower is added to cakes, jams, and confections. Rose tea is an aromatic herbal beverage made from the fragrant petals and buds of the rose flowers. This video tells you all you needed to know about rose tea, including its potential benefits and uses. Most of us love looking at roses, but did not you know they offer health benefits, especially when they are a part of tea. Let's talk about it today's video. Rose tea is made from the petals and buds of the rose flowers. It is very easy to prepare rose tea. All you need are dried or fresh petals that are free of pesticides. Take 3 cups of water and boil the petals for about 5 minutes. You can then strain the tea into cups of drink. If you use a dried petals or buds, put on tablespoon in a cup. Now steeping it in a boiling water for about 10 to 20 minutes. Let's know about the health benefits of rose tea. Number 1, naturally caffeine free. The most of the beverages you have a daily basics of contain caffeine. Whether it is coffee, tea, or even a hot chocolate, you will find some caffeine in them. Caffeine has several benefits to it, including reduces fatigue and increased alertness. For example, caffeine increases your blood pressure and even causes anxiety in some people. Number 2, hydrating the weight loss. Considering rose tea is mostly made of water, one of the advantages of drinking it is a hydration. If you drink multiple cups of rose tea, you will be increasing your water intake by a huge amount. As a result, you are more likely to reduce the number of calories you consume. Can also help to bring down your weight. More water will also decreases your chances of kidney stones. So if you are trying to get in shape but you are tired of drinking the same boring bottle of water, have some rose tea. Number 3, rich in antioxidants. Free radicals are created in your body as part of the metabolism process. Too many free radicals lead to oxidative stress. This can be bad for your health and can cause cellular damage as well. Number 4, elevates menstrual pain. At least 50% of women suffer from menstrual pain and discomfort. Some of them even struggle with vomiting, fatigue, back pain, headaches, and diarrhea during this time. While you can use medication to treat these effects, many women prefer alternative methods. For instance, in traditional Chinese medicine, rose tea made from the buds or leaves of the plant have been used to treat menstrual pain. Number 5, other benefits. There are many additional benefits to rose tea. When it comes to allergies, rose tea is said to reduce your chances of having a reaction. It also contains properties that fight against bad bacteria, looking to improve your resistance to insulin. Do you want to boost your heart health? If you should be drink rose tea every day. Rose tea can also help treat symptoms of liver diseases. Having a trouble going to bathroom, rose tea can fighting against feeling of constipation. It's said to act as a sort of a laxative for your body, making your trips to the toilet so much easier. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please follow and subscribe our channel.